Champions, we need to talk. Tomorrow night, the FIFA World Cup kicks off. Bafana against Mexico. Literally a replay of the 2010 opening match. Champions, the chances of this are like 1 in 10,000 trillion. We are opening. It's our first World Cup in 16 years. I'm not seeing nearly enough gears anywhere. I'm not seeing colors anywhere. I'm not seeing gears on the timeline. We need to snap out of it and understand that a World Cup, our World Cup, Bafana, starts tomorrow night, Thursday night. What are your plans? Who are you watching with? Where are you watching? How are you watching? I know there's a fan park in Tembisa. There's watch parties all over. Tell me your plans. You need to have plans for the opening match of the World Cup. I'll tell you what I'm doing. I'm going to B74 in Cape Town with Jam the comedian. We're having a little watch party there. Pull in. It's in Durban Road because I'm from Durban. Thank you so much. In Cape Town. Also, champions, the T20 Women's World Cup starts this week. Proteas women play against Australia women on Saturday. Then the following week, Springboks against Barbarians. Where is the gears, people? Are you FOG, full of gears? RFW, ready for war? LFG, let's fucking go. PBSA, proud to be South African. Champions, please. I need the kiss. I love you. 2-0.